Okay, Tim, taking a look at the kauplus 20-piece non-marring pick and pry bar tool set. Okay, actually a pretty nice case. We have a ton of different tools here, which is pretty cool, and they're all kind of like a plastic. We also got some nice sharp points on here, so if you got to pull off O-rings or seals or anything like that, there's going to be a tool for pretty much any little job in here. That is kind of amazing. Wow, I've never really seen one like that. That's interesting. Look at that. We even got a little scraper style tool. So that's cool. So it's nice and thick, so it's not going to be bending and warping, but it's also got a nice edge on there. And with all these, you flip them around, and there is another tool on the other side. And this one's actually pretty cool. So we got a scraper on one side, and then we got a flat end on the other. So if you want to, you got something you can easily push on, so if you got to scrape off tough material. All kinds of fancy paddles. I do like that they got these little reinforcements here on the ends to make sure that we're not going to be bending too much when we're using them. That's cool. Neat. So if we're going to do some kind of mini surgery on here, especially if you don't have any very good fingernails or anything right now, yeah, it just pops everything right off. Super easy. And the fact that it's plastic means I'm not going to have to worry about scratching up anything either. That's pretty cool. And I also like the fairly long handle so you can reach in and get into places. And because it's plastic, we can even work on electronic components without having to worry about shorting anything out. If I need to hold something down on a board or even pick something out, like some dust or something like that, I can use this and I don't really have to worry about it. So yeah, overall, that is a very cool kit.